Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you if your PS4 or your PS5 is not connecting properly to your capture card. So in this case, I have the Elgato HD60X and you are experiencing this screen right here. Keep watching this video. I'm going to show you how you can fix this so you can use the Elgato, screen record your game, and then have it go into your OBS. For this video, I recommend doing two things. One is going to be an HDMI to the TV straight to the PS4, and then the other one will be to your capture card. Now when you have the HDMI connected to the TV straight to the PS4, you should automatically get a screen that shows up on your PS4 menu. The next piece that you want to do is go into your settings. So your settings is the toolbox right there. And when you go into your settings, you want to go all the way down to where it says System. When you go into System, there will be a Enable HDCP. You want to uncheck this. This prevents game recording, all that. It prevents some stuff on there, but you can definitely turn it off. When you turn it off, it's going to refresh the screen. And then what you want to do is you want to unplug this HDMI and then put it to the other HDMI on your capture card. Now I have the HDMI connected to the TV straight to the capture card, and the capture card is going right to my computer. And so the computer is a power source that is going to the capture card to power the device, power the screen record, and go into the TV. Once when you guys have done all of that, that is all completely done. If you guys think this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.